Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Cantonese with Joy. Today we are learning how old are you in Cantonese. Let's go. How old are you in Cantonese is 你而家幾大啊？你 you 而家 now 幾 how much or how many 大 big 幾大 how old model particle for questions. The answer is 我而家10歲啦。That means I'm 10 years old. 我 I 而家 now 10 歲 years old 啦 model particle for statement which implies already. Here are some numbers. 0 0 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 20 20 30 30 40 40 50 50 60 60 70 70 80 80 90 90 100 100 Here are the dialogues. Dialogue 1. 你而家幾大啊？ How old are you? 我而家5歲啦。I'm now already 5. Dialogue 2. 你而家幾大啊？ How old are you? 我而家101歲啦。I'm already 101 years old now. Dialogue 3. 你而家幾大啊？ How old are you? 我年年18歲㗎。I'm 18 years old every year. That's all for today. Bye bye.